last year we started this tradition and we'll continue it now. It depends on how profitable you'll be with your finds. So it's called show and tell, and we just take stuff that we found during the past few hours and we just give a short short introduction to this. So we have two things now. Orit will show one and I'll show the other, but what Orit show, don't touch it with your hand. So I'll start with, it's actually a hairpin. Okay, it's made of bone. It's the end of the, it's a two-part, but it's usually long, sharpened on one end, and the other end is decorated. It can be like a pomegranate or something. It's very, very gentle made and decorated. And this is, in the Roman period, used to be typical for hairdressing. Like you would gather your hair together as a gulgul, I don't know how to say that in and then you would just stick it in your hair like today with masriga.
Yeah.
Bun?
Yeah, and it's especially in the Roman period, like the rich ladies, like in the imperial family and in the families of the elite, they also use like extensions. How do you say? Like they would connect hair that is not theirs. But it's not exactly wigs.
Extension. Yeah.
Extension.
So it's extension. So in order to put the extension together with your own hair, you need lots of pins. So the rich ladies had servants that were specifically trained to do the hair, and they had really fancy hairdressing. And we can actually date portraits because the fashion of hairdressing changed rather quickly with women, and the fashion from the centers, from Rome, went quite quickly to the provinces. So we have portraits of women with hairstyles that are very similar to the ones of the imperial family. Yeah, and we have even a more exciting find.
Wow.
Again from Area E. That's lead slingshot, and I'll pass it around. It's not, although I touched it, it's not recommended to touch lead so much. It's hard to see, but I will, together with the box, I will pass my cell phone. So you can see how it should look like when it's clean. So it's a slingshot that is decorated with a winged thunderbolt, which is the attribute of Zeus, or Jupiter. And it was used in the Hellenistic period for warfare. And this specific type of decoration on a slingshot was found in Jerusalem mainly in two areas, in the Tower of David near today's Jaffa Gate, and just south of us in the Givati parking lot and the northwestern fringes of the city of David. And we can date it to the siege of Antiochus VII, Antiochus Sidetes, over Jerusalem, which took place in 131-132 BCE. So this is cool. So this is from the times of the Asmoneans, from the